Okay, so Somaji, 3j plus 4k is equal to 23, 2j minus 4k is equal to 2. I need to eliminate. Somaji, what is the meaning of elimination?
Canceling.
Cancelling. Yeah. So 3j plus 4k is equal to 23 and 2j minus, minus 4k is equal to 2. So I need to eliminate. It is easier to eliminate k because if I add both of them, these two will cancel. Therefore, 5j would be equal to 25 and j would be equal to 5. Sanuji, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So, for example, let us take any other random equation. So, for example, this is the set of equations. Here, if I add these two equations, this and this will cancel. Therefore, 6x would be equal to 24 and s would be equal to 4. Samaji, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And once I have the value of s to be 4, then I can take the s, this value of s, and I can put it either in this equation or in this equation. Sanviji, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So for example, if I put this 4 in this equation, in the first equation, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. If I put the value of s in the first equation, this will be 4 plus t is equal to 8. Therefore, t is equal to 4. Sanviji, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So let us look at question number 15. Question number 15. And question number 15. Okay. So this is my first equation. This is my second equation. You have added both the equations. Therefore, this and this has got cancelled. Therefore, 5s is equal to 25 and j is equal to 5. So you have taken this value of j and you have put it in which equation, Sanvi?
I do not understand your question.
You have calculated this value of j is equal to 5.
Yes, sir.
Now you want to find the value of k.
Yeah.
So you have put this value of j in equation 1 or in equation 2?
Equation 1.
In equation 1. Okay. So when you put this value of j5 in this equation, this will become 3 into 5 plus 4k is equal to 23. Have you understood?
Yes.
So I shouldn't be writing 15j. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So because the value of j, which is equal to 5, you have put it here. Samaji, have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So 4k is equal to 8 and k is equal to 2. Sorry, any doubt?
No, sir.
Similarly, see, j is equal to 5. You can put this value of j in equation 2 also. It is one and the same. So if I put the value of j here, it will become 2 into 5 minus 4k is equal to 2. 10 minus 4k is equal to 2. 4k is equal to 8. Therefore, k is equal to 2. Have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes.
Soumya, have you understood? Soumya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So the point that I'm trying to make is, that you have these two equations. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. Once you have the value of j, you can put this value of j either in equation 1 or in equation 2. It is one and the same. You will get the same answer. Mr. Rudra, ठीक बोल रहा हूँ?
हाँ सर.
Okay. So after question 15, we go to question number 18. So question number 18 is my first equation. My first equation My first equation is 9 plus 6p is equal to 19. Second is 3n minus 6p is equal to minus 15. So what I have done, 4n is equal to 4n is equal to 1. Okay. Yeah, ऐसा है. Sanvi, what you need to understand from your school teacher is, will she give you full marks for this or not? Full marks for this or not?
Have to do the substitution step again.
Sir, yes, sir. You are skipping a lot of steps, and I'm not sure. You need to check that from your school teacher, because usually how this is done is, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. You need to check from your school teacher whatever process she wants to follow, and after this you need to write adding equation 1 and 2. So you get 4n is equal to 4, n is equal to 1. Then usually what they say is that substitute value of n is equal to 1 in equation 1 or 2, whatever you want. Soumya, have you understood what I'm saying? Soumya ji, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, in this, she's skipping a lot of steps. So for me, it is okay. N is equal to 1 है, यहाँ 1 आ गया, 1 plus 6p is equal to 19. तो 6p जो है वो 18 के equal होगा, p जो है वो 3 के equal होगा. Now this answer is absolutely okay. But what I'm not sure is whether your school teacher will like this or not. That you need to check with your school teacher.
Okay, I will ask.
Yeah. So if she is okay, तो ठीक है. नहीं तो you need to follow the steps. So j is equal to 5. J is equal to 5. Then Soumya, what have you done after that?
Sorry, sir.
Once you have found the value of j is equal to 5, what did you do after that?
So once I found j is equal to 5, then I filled up the spaces. So 3 into j, which is basically 3 into 5, 15, plus 4k is equal to 23. Then I did the rest.
Nah, ये गड़बड़ है यार. So once you have found the value of j is equal to 5, see Soumya, what you can do is you can mark this equation as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Soumya, have you understood?
Yes.
Then what you can write is, after this step, what you can write is substituting the value of j is equal to 5 in which equation do you want? In equation 1 or 2? 1. Okay. Equation 1. So then what you will write is, see, this j is equal to 5. So you will write here 5. So this will be equal to 3 into 5 plus 4k is equal to 23. So have you understood what I'm saying?
Yeah, I wrote the k is equal to by mistake, or
Yeah.
else I have understood. Like I do that usually.
Yeah. ये जरूर ध्यान रखिए, because ये जो आपने लिखा है यहाँ पर, ये गड़बड़ है.
Yeah.
ये समझ नहीं आ रहा हुआ क्या. तो this you need to take care. Therefore k is equal to 2. Okay. Question number 18. So this is my equation 1. This is my equation 2. You have added the equations n is equal to 1. Then Soumya, what you need to write is substituting the value of n is equal to 1 in equation. Which equation have you put the value of n?
Equation 1.
So this will be equal to 1 plus 6p is equal to 19. Okay. Then it is okay. Sir, any doubt? Actually, what we can do is we can have a look at your textbook and see how they are doing the questions. So see, the same method. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Soumya, Sanvi, have you understood?
Yes.
Then what they say is, ki, sir, you add these two equations. Now they have found the value of p is equal to 4. Yeah. And then they write, substitute p is equal to 4 into equation 1. Soumya, have you understood? This is equation 1.
Yes, sir.
Now, what I'll suggest is that you follow what is being suggested by your textbook. Because जैसे आप कर रहे हो वो गड़बड़ है. So you need to write this line. Substitute p is equal to 4 into equation 1. Now you can put this in equation 1 or equation 2. That depends upon, that is your wish. So I have put the value of p is equal to 4 in equation 1. So 3 into 4 is equal to 17. You need to follow the steps here, please. Yeah. So p is equal to 4 and q is equal to 5. And what your book is also suggesting is that similarly, if you had put the value of p is equal to 4 in equation 2, the same answer you would have got. Sanvi, any doubt?
No, sir.
Perfect, sir.